Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about very important topic, that is electricities. So, in previous class we completed C group, all the groups. Okay, now we are starting electricities. So basically, why should our Dr. Counts invented electricities? Okay, basically he had one dog, pet dog. Okay. What he do? He he saw one day his dog is suffered from one type of non-healing wound. Okay. He suffered from large days and he saw that the dog is going to eat some types of leaves. Okay, some plant is there. So as well as he is rubbing his wound to the tree or to the leaves of those plants. So he noticed that gradually the non-healing wound is going to curing way. Gradually the wound is healed, and later on he saw that he observed with the dog not only internally this remedies works, we have to try to apply the remedies externally also. So at that time, the concept is not, it may be there, but not completely present that we have to apply externally also. So he thought, he studied in deeply, why should and how should this mechanism works? How should we are applying that to the superficial part of the skin, okay, then the remedy is working. Then he noticed, he studied our human body, that our human body, the skin having two layers, dermis and epidermis, and we have subcutaneous layer. So in the superficial part, it is the deepest part. In the deepest part, we have marker cells, okay, receptors, and we have capillaries, okay, and we have arterioles and nerves connecting to the cells, nerve endings. So he observed that, so the superficial part of the skin having all this material, so whenever you are taping the medicine, you are rubbing the remedy to the superficial part of that affected area. So what will they absorb those material directly? Okay. So when you are giving the medicine internally, then it will go to the tongue, and tongue absorbs something and saliva absorbs something, and it will go to the blood circulation, and then it will reach to the affected part. But here it will reach directly to the affected part. Okay, and how it works? In the skin, we have capillaries, nerve endings, which is able to absorb that material you are keeping on the superficial part. Okay, he absorbed that. Okay. Then he noticed that our body have polarity. Our body have polarity. So on the basis of polarity, he invented according to our body polarity. So right side of the body is negative in nature, okay, negative, and left side of the body is positive, and center part of the body is neutral. So already this concept explained early before Dr. Counts Mate. So he accepted the theory and he applied for making external applications, external fluids. Okay, so he discovered the vice versa fluids to affect the body. So already the positivity is negative in nature. If any body part affected in right side, so it means the negativity is more happen. So there's the reason the right side having that problem. So what you have to do, you have to give positive thing, positive fluid, positive application to apply that area to get relief from that problem. Same as in the left side. Okay, so the body is positive in left side. Okay, so what here not except brain. Okay, except brain from the head, from the face, from the trunk, it is starting, except brain. So brain is always positive, positive in nature. Okay. So he started seeing left side of the body. Left side of the body is positive in nature. Okay. So what if any problems occur, it means the rising of positivity in the left side is increased. The positivity is increased. So we have to give negative nature remedy to decrease that organ problem. So there's the reason he discovered electricities for application. Okay. There's the reason he discovered application. First thing. Second thing is to apply vice versa electricities. Okay. So right side needs left side. So right side is negative. So we need positive remedy. Okay. Left side is positive. We need negative remedy. And between these neutral, we need neutral remedy. Okay, that is the thing he noticed. So he invented electricities to apply. So what are the, how many types of electricities? We have 5 types. So what are those 5 types of electricities? Electricity. Number one, he named according to the color. Okay. So he noticed that red color having more positivity. So there is a reason he named that electricity red electricity. Red electricity. So already we know that RE. Next we have blue electricity. These are the positive electricities. Next we have negative electricities. Negative nature. The nature of this fluid is negativity. So that's the reason we call negative electricity. Okay. Next we have YE. GE. These are the negative electricities. And we have neutral electricity, that is WE, white electricity. Means the negative and positive neutral nature electricity is WE. Okay. So these are the other types of electricities which are we are going to study. So if right side problems occurs, which electricity we use mostly? RE and WE. And left side YE and GE. Mid of the body WE. So where should we apply this electricities? We will study about that. We have 45 points in our body. We should apply electricity in right side, left side. Okay. So in coming classes, we'll talk about all this 45 points detailed along with practical demonstration. Okay. So now we will talk about electricities only. It works, how it works. Externally, internally, we already know about that. Where it works and what are the types of plants. What is the best remedy along with electricities. Now we'll talk about RE. Today we will talk about only about RE or another electricity, because RE is positive electricity. Some questions are there, I think so. Someone told that in high BP will not give RE. In some conditions we will not give RE. Yes, it is there. But what how electricity works? Basically, we have two fluids. Again, we have to go the basic concept: blood and lymph. Basically, whenever you use RE, so it means these are not in equilibrium state. It may be the decrease, it may be the increase. These are the two conditions only. It may be increase, it may be decrease. So when you use RE in decrease condition, in increase condition, you will use another electricity. First thing. Second thing is that RE, if you use in increase condition, RE not increase more than equilibrium. It will not increase more than equilibrium. It will do the level of equilibrium, because our medicines only work positively. If it doesn't work, it will excrete from the body. This is the condition we have to remember. Okay, this is the uh, best thing of electrohomeopathy. So what are the plants? How many plants are there? There are 5 plants in electricities. In RE, okay, in RE. So what are those plants? First number is Aconitum napellus, Aconitum napellus. And second one is Rhododon, Rhododendron periginum. Rhododendron periginum. So this is the second uh, plant of RE, Rhododendron periginum. Rosa canina. Third one is Rosa canina. And fourth one is Rose marinus officinalis. Rose marinus officinalis. And fifth one is Vitis vinifera. Vitis vinifera. So these are the 5 important plants which are present in RA. Okay. So how it works? Already we know that where it works. Now we will talk about. So I already told you there is any disequilibrium in blood and lymph. So there is there you need RE. So for tonification, stimulated, it will work as tonify. Tonify any organ or to stimulate. Okay. And it will mostly work on two things. Let's discuss that. It will directly work on cardiovascular system first, and it work on nervous system, mainly on PNS, peripheral nervous system. Okay, and it is best remedy for all types of pain. It will have the effect of anti-inflammation. Anti-inflammatory effect is seen in RE. So you have to apply externally wherever right side you have pain. So right side you have pain, sciatica pain, knee pain. Okay. So you will get quickly effect of red electricity. So along with which group you can use internally A group, S group, and L group. Mostly we use positive electricity with S group. Okay. So because we have to cure the organ. To cure the organ, we need blood circulation, we need nerve circulation, nerve stimulant, both. So RE have both effect. So that's the reason we use RE to cure any organ like kidney, like any glands, if they are hypofunctions, okay, negatively, they are shown impacting. Okay, so that's the reason we use RE for all types of this condition, and it is best remedy for lymphatic impairment like S1. Like S1, we use S1 RE also. Okay, if any have frontal headache, you can apply facial paralysis, neck pain, right side cervical spondylitis. Okay, okay, you can give frozen shoulder of right hand. You can apply RE. So where is the points? I will say in I will talk about later. Okay, and we have wrist pain, elbow pain, right knee joint pain, osteoarthritis, sciatica pain. You can apply RE there. You have to take some gauze piece and you have to drip into the hot water which are present in which you have to add RE on that. So you have to put on that pain plant or cold water according to the condition of the patient. Okay, so what it will do, it will restore and it will do the balance of lymph and blood on that place. So gradually the pain will wane off. Okay, so I think today we'll keep here only. So we discussed detail about electricity, why he invented, how he invented, how the journey starts, and what are the uses of RE, where to use RE. Okay. So tomorrow we'll talk about all the other four electricities in detail. Okay. Thank you.